Welcome to Cobalt Tutorials. In previous videos, we've discussed creating meeting and registration fees for meeting attendees. In this video, we'll focus on another type of registration fee, for companions of attendees. Many organizations will hold dinners, happy hours, fundraisers, and other events where members can bring family, friends, or other guests that may not need to be saved as contact records in Dynamics 365. Because of this, the guest, spouse, and child fee types were created. Follow all the same steps you took for the attendee registration. Start from the meeting record. Scroll down to the meeting registration fees subgrid and click the plus icon in the upper right-hand corner. This will open a new window with a blank meeting registration fee. Give the record a name. I'll name this fee Basic Guest. Under the registration type, choose Guest. Note that spouse and child types are set up the same way, but if you do choose to specify these types, or offer more than one companion type for the meeting, then the registration process will display each companion type on a unique page. Many organizations simply add a guest fee, but it's up to you. Save the record. Once saved, you should add values for the begin and end date fields. They may, but do not have to be, the same as the registration begin and end dates on the meeting. They must, however, fall within those dates. For example, you may have an early registration fee that starts when the meeting registration begins, but ends before the full meeting registration period ends on the meeting record. We'll set these dates to 1/1/2019 and 2/28/2019. If you want to gather more information about the guests as part of the registration process, such as dietary restrictions or preferences, then you can associate a custom form to the fee. Anyone registering a companion using this fee will have to answer your questions as part of the registration process. If this companion registration has a cost associated with it, you can associate the product that is being charged in the registration fee field. If no product is associated, then the fee will display as free, and a $0 order will be fulfilled when registering. Next, set Publish to Portal as Yes. This will allow the fee to show up on the portal. If the fee should only be used by staff on the back end, you can leave this as No. If you have multiple fees and you want to specify the order in which they display to customers, then you can set priority using the Sort Order field. If you do not care about the displayed order of the fees, you can leave this field blank. You will not be able to or need to configure a query for this fee. This is because the query is not an option for a guest fee, because guests will not register themselves, but will be registered by attendees. Thank you for joining us for Cobalt Tutorials.